Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you two easy ways to create a QR code in Google Sheets. So let's get started. The first method is by using a Google Sheets add-on. Just follow these simple steps. Click on Extensions in the top menu. Select Add-ons, Get Add-ons. In the search bar, type QR Code Generator. Install an add-on of your choice. Remember, these add-ons may request access to your Google account, so always check the terms before installing. Once installed, follow the on-screen instructions to generate QR codes for your data. The second method is even easier. No add-ons required. Just use a simple formula. Here's how. Copy the URL or text you want to convert into a QR code. Click on an empty cell in column B, or any column you prefer. Make sure your data is in cat column A so the formula works correctly. Press enter, and boom, your QR code appears instantly. And that's it. Now you know how to generate QR codes in Google Sheets in two simple ways. If this video helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.